What's up, YouTubers? It's eveRide. Just bringing you another why buy a dual sport motorcycle video here. This one's called The Ride Home. Now, if you're not familiar with how one of these videos works, basically, I just do a ride and keep my mouth shut. I might make a comment here and there, but generally it's just to let you see the reason, the real reason why you should buy a dual sport motorcycle. Because, along with lunch breaks and sunsets, this is my ride home. So sorry there's going to be some editing here, but not too much. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the current temperature today is a nice 74 degrees. Cold for this type of environment, this type of year. Next week it'll be back up to 80s. But for now, the type of riding I'll be doing, there is no better weather. Things get technical. Oh! Little hill climb here with twists and turns. practice. Oh, that's a sketchy turn. Doesn't look rocky, but almost stacked it. Big rocks. About you guys, time you guys get to see me thrash the widow like it's meant to be thrashed and abused. She's been a naughty girl. Ooh, I got the twitchy leg. Old twitchy leg. You might be thinking to yourself, is this really his way home? Yes, it is. And imagine how good I'll be if I can take this almost every day. Not to mention how in shape I'll be. Utah plus dual sport, especially southern Utah where I can ride the entire year. That's good stuff. This is where things get dicey. Ooh. path here. You can probably see my track back there where that has happened before. Up or down? Down. It's longer. Ooh. Ooh, almost went down there. Gets really sandy and there's riverbeds. Rabbit. I'm leaking tons of gasoline out of my crap-tastic Clark gas tank. The tank itself is fantastic, but the caps for these things, when you read the reviews, you'll see that they crack and split from almost nothing. Just by being out in the sun a little bit, they'll start to, oh, slippery. They'll start to crack and split. So my leg is covered in gas. The sick thing about that is I knew it's cracked, only filled it up with 2 gallons. So if you buy a Clark gas tank, get a billet cap, because the plastic ones are garbage. Not only am I doing this for fun, but I'm also doing this to see how long it takes. And as I go through the year, I want to get stronger and better. So how long does it take from the dirt over there to the dirt, or rather to the pavement over here? Whoops. That'll take off a second or two when I don't know the way I'm going. Berm. Also, what line to take through here, because this is pretty brutal. Also what I'm comfortable with. Big dips there. Big, huge dip. Oh, right there. And they just get bigger as we get over here. Alright. Right there is the biggest. people are watching this, and some people might think, what is this? eveRide's going fast? Other people might be thinking, this guy's slow as molasses in November. Or January, I guess January's colder. For guys like Brian who race, I'm not going too fast, but for me, there we go, time. That's fast. Thanks for joining me, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Love you.
We gotta cut the show. Sorry, bro. Fight outside. What? We can't do it no more. We can't do the show anymore.